Rex Perlato explains. So you're thinking about where to live next? And the big question pops up: house and lot, apartment, or condo? It's a huge decision. And today we are going to break down why a house and lot might just be the best investment you will ever make. Let's start with the most obvious perk: space. With a house, you get both indoor and outdoor space that is completely yours. Imagine having a backyard for summer barbecues, a garden to grow your own veggies, or just a safe place for your kids and pets to run around freely. You can't really get that with a balcony on the 20th floor, can you? This isn't just about more room. It's about a better quality of life and the freedom to enjoy your home to the fullest. Next up, let's talk about freedom and privacy. When you own a house, you're the boss. Want to paint your front door bright yellow? Go for it. Want to have a jam session with your band in the garage? No problem. You do not have to worry about noisy neighbors through thin walls or strict rules from a homeowners association telling you what you can and cannot do. Your home is your sanctuary, a private space where you can truly be yourself without constantly worrying about disturbing others or being disturbed. Now, let's get into the financial side of things. When you buy a house and lot, you're not just buying a structure, you're buying the land it sits on. And guess what? Land is a finite resource. Over time, it tends to appreciate in value. So, while your house is a place to live, it's also a powerful financial asset that can grow your wealth. You're building equity in something that's truly yours, which offers long-term financial security that you just don't get from renting an apartment or dealing with the fluctuating values and fees of a condo. Of course, a house and lot means more responsibility, like maintenance and repairs. But it also means you have the power to create a home that perfectly fits your family's needs and dreams. You can renovate, expand, and customize it as your life changes. From adding a new bedroom for a growing family to building that home office you've always wanted, the possibilities are endless. So, when you're weighing your options, think about the long-term picture. A house and lot offers space, freedom, privacy, and a solid investment for your future. It's more than just a place to live. It's a foundation for the life you want to build. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel of Rex Perlato, and hit that notification bell for more tips, insights, and enlightenment on making smart home decisions. See you in the next one.